Today, we're going to show you how to adjust your iPhone camera setting for capturing stunning night photo. Be sure to follow this step. Point 1. Use night mode. First, let's talk about night mode, available on iPhone 11 and newer models. This feature enhances low-light photography. Here's how to use it. Open the camera app on your iPhone and you can swipe to photo mode. If night mode is available, you will see a moon icon in the top left corner. Just tap on it, tap on the moon icon, and to adjust the exposure time here. Point 2. Lock focus and exposure. To prevent blurry image, lock your focus and exposure. You can follow this step. After you open the camera app, you can tap and hold on your object until AE and AF lock appears on your screen. You can slide your finger up or down to adjust the exposure. Point 3. Use a tripod. Using a tripod can greatly improve your night photography by providing stability and preventing camera shake. Pair your iPhone with a tripod and remote shutter for the best results. Point number 4. You can experiment with long exposure. Experiment with long exposure using the live photo feature. Here's how. Open the camera app and then enable live photo by tapping the concentric circle icon at the top. Take a live photo. After that, you can see the result. Open the photo and at there, in the top left of your photo, they are live. You can tap on this and you can select another feature like a long exposure, or maybe you can change again to other feature like a bounce or loop. Point number 5. Edit photo for a better result. Lastly, don't forget to edit your night photo for better result. You can use the built-in editing tools in the photo apps or third-party apps like Adobe Lightroom or VSCO. And that's it for our today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope these step-by-step tips help you capture stunning night photo with your iPhone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone photography tips and tricks. See you next time and have a nice day. Bye!